Do you remember that guy Jimmy Donaldson? He started making all these random weird videos with all these challenges, and people started noticing, and suddenly he became one of the biggest YouTubers in the world, if not the biggest. He also goes by the name MrBeast. Honestly, I thought that was gonna be me. I imagined uploading a video, waking up the next morning, realized I had gone viral and famous, and then quitting my job the same day. I was gonna be huge on YouTube. Spoiler alert, I woke up to 24 subscribers and a dog looking at me, waiting for me to take her on her walk. YouTube isn't just luck, it's something else. It's life, it's growth, and it's consistency. And I have some really good advice for you, but first let me go walk my dog, and then we'll start after that. I have a dream. You see, everyone has these dreams. Quit my job, be my own boss, make videos, inspire people, work with a laptop on a beach in Phuket, Thailand, with a coconut drink in one hand and passive income in the other. It's a nice dream, right? Except that's not what happens. I spent 16 years making YouTube videos, writing scripts at 1 a.m., editing on my phone between English classes, whispering voiceovers while my dog Maple or Kokoro snored next to me. And after all that, I'm still stuck making less than a cost of a McDonald's combo, especially after inflation. How come MrBeast and all those other popular YouTubers can do it, but I can't? Not jealous, of course, totally fine, totally fine. And that's when it hit me, YouTube isn't just luck. It's like building a house of Lego blindfolded during an earthquake. You keep stacking blocks, ideas, scripts, titles, and they just collapse. Then you start again. And despite all this work, nobody claps, no one cheers, you just keep building. Sure, there are some people that get lucky with a viral hit with 1 million views, but most of us are just throwing darts in the dark, which sounds dangerous. But that's a story for another day. People think YouTube is easy. I mean, you just look at a camera and talk. Yeah, sure. And marathon runners just jog a little. You brainstorm, you research, you script, you film, you edit, you sound design, you re-edit, you upload, you promote, you cry, you question your life choices, and repeat. Every single day. And if you're lucky, you get 100 views. 3 or 4 of them are just you refreshing your own video. And I guess at some point I realized that YouTube isn't just luck, it's marketing disguised as creativity. It's not about making videos, it's about making people care about the videos you make. I've made over 1,000 videos on YouTube now, and the only ones that do really well are the ones where the viewers are convinced that it's worth the watch. You're not just creating content, you're selling yourself to total strangers. Which is wild because I'm the worst salesman. I couldn't even sell my demo CDs to my friends and family. But that's the thing about YouTube, it's like that because there's so much competition and so many people out there, you need to convince people that even though they don't know you, your story and your video matters. And the cruel part about this is even if you do everything right, everything the way you're supposed to that everyone tells you to do, it's still not gonna happen right away. Nobody cares for a really long time. Like I mentioned earlier, even MrBeast made tons of videos before he finally got noticed. And that's not the algorithm's fault, that's human nature. We usually stick to what's familiar, the people with the highest subscriber rate, the videos with the highest views, the thumbnails with the best quality. Just like we order the same food all the time, like when you go to that Thai restaurant, you always get pad Thai and pineapple shrimp fried rice. We all say we want something different, a fresh perspective, a bald brown man to lead the way. But we don't. So as a small creator, you're not just fighting the algorithm, you're also fighting human nature. The algorithm doesn't trust you, it doesn't know who to show your videos to. And even if it does show your videos to them, they see your video, they see that you have 25 subscribers and 40 views, and then they just click on the video that has more. No one knows who you are or what you can do, so rather than taking a chance on you, they go for the safe bet. And that's why this feels so hard. It's kind of like starting a small business. You invest time, money, and hope someone is going to buy your emotional support pickle. But no one does, and it's just silent. YouTube is the same. You build your channel, you fill it with videos and hope that people will come. But not many do. Your friends don't ask about how your videos are doing anymore. Your family still thinks YouTube is just a hobby. And you start wondering, am I actually good at this or am I just delusional? And Answer, probably both. And here's the light at the end of the tunnel, or the silver lining. Sometimes I rewatch my old videos and I cringe and I can't believe that's me. I'm also impressed by my hair. But I also noticed something else beside my hair. I noticed I've gotten better. The writing, the pacing, the storytelling, the editing, everything has improved. That's growth. Slow, painful, but real. And if you stick with it long enough, you'll look back just like I did and notice that you didn't just build a channel, but you created an entire life. You built yourself. I noticed this video has been mostly ranting about my failures on YouTube, but I did want to leave you with some actual value in this video and some tips. Step 1, define your ideal viewer. The main thing you want to know is who am I talking to and what kind of problem am I solving for them. So for me, that's people who are trying to rediscover themselves online, start a new journey, and possibly start a YouTube channel. For you, it could be something like helping parents become better parents, or gamers get better at gaming. If you know who your audience is, then YouTube will also know who your audience is and they'll show it to them. Step 2, make every second earn its place. You need to forget the hacks or the tricks that gurus have taught you, like you need to have videos that are at least 8 minutes, or you need to do this or that. Just focus on your ideal audience member. Talk to them and treat them like you would treat your best friend in real life. Your main thing is to just focus on keeping that person listening to you. Every joke, every line, every story you talk about should keep that person entertained. Step 3, thumbnails and titles aren't decoration, they're strategy. So I used to think that thumbnails were not really that important, just a little pretty picture. Now I treat them like the front of a book cover or a billboard. One look at that thumbnail should make people feel some kind of curiosity or awe. Step 4, study your data like a diary. And analytics aren't just for fun, they're actually a good way to track how your video and how your channel is doing. It's kind of like getting a glimpse of your audience. Knowing what parts of the video your audience likes or what parts they drop off at, that kind of gives you an idea of what you need to change. Step 5, fall in love with the process, not the performance. So on my old channel, Aussie Awesome, every time I upload a video and I'd only get a couple of hundred views, I would be heartbroken. But with this channel, I stopped obsessing over views. Although I want a lot of people to watch my videos, which means higher views, the most important thing right now for me is I want the right people to watch my videos, and I want to enjoy myself making these videos. Which is why even though this channel is not monetized, I enjoy and I work harder on these videos than I do on my Aussie Awesome channel. And of course, everyone wants growth, but unfortunately you can't control how to grow on YouTube. You can control the type of videos and the type of satisfaction you feel when making those videos. Everyone says focus on trying to do at least 1% better than you did in your last video, and I agree with that. I think the better your quality gets, or the better confidence or better you enjoy making the video or the video process, the better your videos will get and your channel will grow. Once again, to answer the question, YouTube isn't about luck. It's patience, it's persistence, and it's purpose. The 3 Ps. And if you're in the same boat as me where you're creating videos but not getting a lot of views, don't quit. Because even if you're feeling like it's taking forever and not happening for you right now, when it finally does, it'll feel way more sweeter. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, let's show the algorithm that we matter, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And speaking of algorithm, if you haven't watched my last video, I recommend you watch it. It's about the algorithm and why it might be ignoring you or ghosting you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Peace.